Top 5 programming languages to stay ahead of the curve in 2020. So let's dive in. At number 5, we have Java. Designed in the year 1991, Java has undergone several transformations since then and continues to be one of the top programming languages. One of the primary reasons for Java prominence is that it is the official language for developing Android apps. In fact, most of the apps available on Google Play are developed through Java. According to the latest reports by StackShare, almost 10,000 companies like Airbnb, Instagram, Amazon, Netflix, and Pinterest are implementing Java in their tech stacks. Swift made our number 4. Just as smooth as its name, this object-oriented, multi-paradigm programming language has made it to the list. Because of its features like speed, space efficiency, better reliability, dynamic library, and less chance of error occurrences, Apple decided to make it their most preferred language. They believe this language to be 2.6 times faster than Objective-C. Apple has also announced Swift UI as a faster way to develop better apps. At number 3 is C. Now, C is again one of the oldest and prominent languages since its inception. Thanks to its remarkable feature of universal portability that is embraced by almost all the leading tech giants like Oracle, Microsoft, Apple, and Linux. The versatility and flexibility of the C language allows developers to have the highest control with the lowest commands. Any programming professional will be benefited by learning this language. At number 2, we have JavaScript. Desktop, Android, or iOS, JavaScript has made its presence known almost everywhere, and you are going to see it vastly widespread in the coming days. This popular scripting language has the spell of making websites interactive for end users. Like CSS and HTML, JavaScript is one of the significant technologies of the web that is presently embedded in several host software. In fact, Wikipedia, Yahoo, eBay, and Amazon have been written in JavaScript. Python is number 1. Based on the PyPL index by GitHub, Python takes the topmost rank as the most common programming language in 2020. The embedded versions of Python, like MicroPython and CircuitPython, are currently in demand due to the steady growth of computing power in microcontrollers. Leading organizations like Facebook, Bank of America, NASA, and the CIA are among the top fans of Python. NetCom Learning's cutting-edge training solutions cover all the languages mentioned above and are aimed to build a smarter workforce that drives growth. So if you are planning to get ahead, we welcome you for an innovative learning experience. Just click on the links in the description box to explore our courses.